Hi, today I'm going to tell you about the biography of Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was born on 25th December 1642. He was born in a poor farmer family. His father died 3 months before he was born. His mother remarried to a man and went to live with him, leaving Isaac to live with his grandmother. He was still a toddler, 3 years old back then. Isaac really hated his stepfather because he told his mother to live with him. After a few years, Isaac's mother had 3 more children from her second marriage. From 1654 until 1659, Newton was educated in King's School, Grantham. In 1659, his mother was widowed for the second time. She also really wanted Newton to be a farmer, but with his creativity, he made wooden lanterns and windmills to get back to school. He was then turned out to be the top-ranked student. In June 1661, Newton was admitted to Trinity College by his uncle, who had studied there. He got a full scholarship there. In 1664, Newton does a lot of research about mathematical theories in the university. In January 1665, Newton got his degree and continued researching on his own. In 1666, when he was still researching, he suddenly wonders, how does the moon, earth, planets move and spins? But suddenly an apple fell down near Newton when he was sitting under the tree. Why does the apple fall downwards, not upwards? Does it happen to the planet also? Newton ran inside the house and wrote everything he was thinking back then. He made the Newton theory of gravitation. He was still 23 back then. Here's the explanation of the theory that he made. M, mass, F, force, G, gravitational constant. This formula helps us find the gravitational constant of something. In that year also, he made an experiment to lights. He succeeded to refract white lights to 7 different colored lights using a prism glass. His research impressed a location professor, Isaac Barrow. Newton was then became a fellow of the Royal Society in 1672. A few years later, he made the Newton's law of motion, which is 1. An object always remains unless acted by a force. 2. If an object is moving, it will accelerate with force. 3. For every action there will be a reaction. In 1703, Isaac was made the president of the Royal Society. In 20th March 1727, Isaac died in his sleep due to mercury poisoning. He is an important man to physics and science.